Hello guys, today we are going to see about how to get our data from MAST portal. First of all, go and search like MAST data archive and you will get the link like called STCL and just click that. And in that there is an option called set of collections. In that you can find like various catalogs. In that particularly we are going to choose mass catalogs because mass catalog contains most of the missions like images like GIA mission. You can see that in this mission section you can see like GIA DR1, GIA DR2 and etc. And now there are multiple missions. Particularly I am interested in TESS because I think it's most useful for us in finding many interesting things. So I just choose that. And after that you can just go and click advanced search here. And in that actually you can see that like here you have 9.5 million stars, approximately 95 million stars, and says that like when we use these filters we can only download like 50,000 stars, which is maximum. We just scroll down, you can just do hide all, and you can see object position or a, you can just choose any filters you want and can reduce your number of candidates numbers. Particularly I am interested in like some parameters like yeah, here we got TF, it's surface temperature of the star, and logs is simply the surface gravity in logarithmic. Actually for suns and stars the surface gravity will be like 4,000, like our Earth have 9.8 meters per seconds, but actually for suns it's very high, like 4,000, so it's better to use log there, so it reduces the scale value. And metallicity, and metallicity is simply the amount of iron to hydrogen ratio in the stellar star. And stellar radius, actually you guys know what is stellar radius, and you also know what is stellar mass, stellar density, and stellar luminosity. And distance, here distance is the distance between the star and our solar system, I mean or sun or our earth. And the unit for distance is in this particular mass coded is in parasecond. And I think these are the most useful filters we are going to use now. We can use surface temperatures, like for example you can just put 3500 and upper limit as we can use some random values 6000. And you can see out of 9.5 million it became 5 point something values. And surface gravity, we can just choose surface gravity similar to our sun. We can use 4 to 5, yeah. And you can see the number of stars further will reduce. Metallicity, we can just choose 0.5 minus. Minus means less than our metallicity of our sun. It means like 0.5 times less than our sun, and metallicity 0.5 times higher than our sun. So you can see the values are reduced now. And further, as we reduce these values, we can see that like the number of stars has count has been decreasing. We can choose 1.5 solar masses as maximum limit and 0.5 as a minimum limit stellar radius. Similarly, we can also choose 0.5 to 1.5 stellar mass. And density, I don't think it won't change anything, because absolutely if the radius and the mass of the planet is like 1.5, it should be like in the range of 1.5 to 0, I mean 0.5 to 1.5. So 1.5. Oh no, there are some other stars which has different various densities. I'm wrong. Okay. Luminosity, we can just like random, it's 10. I just choose 10. And distance, um, Actually, it's too much distance. So when you press like to 20,000 or with 2,000, you will get like more fast stars. So the image might have some noise or contamination ratio. I mean the background stars and might contaminate the light ratio. So it might affect your results when you're going to do some projects like light curve analysis or etc. So it's better to choose nearer by distance. In my case, I just choose 50 parasecond. Yeah, you can see now there are only 915 stars. At first you got like 9.5 million stars. Now you have 915 stars, and you can just see there are various filters like magnitude, test magnitude, and etc. You can just choose your desired value of parameters and you can just reduce. And here is the export table. And using this you can export like all these 915 stars data in a single CVS file or your result file that is given. So yeah, you got the file. That's it. Thank you guys. Let us see in another video.